today we will be designing our very own backpacks just in time for school. What you will need: a plain backpack. I purchased this gray one from Walgreens for $3, and they have several colors. They have black, blue, red, green, so you can pick whatever color you'd like. And Walmart actually has backpacks as well for $5. So you just need a plain backpack and then some fun stuff to decorate it with. I have these adorable flowers, which I purchased on clearance at Hobby Lobby. And then I have these really pretty pearls that I purchased from Michael's. And then tulle. So my color scheme is going to be gray, white, and pink. But again, depending on your child, you can definitely modify it. If their favorite color is green, you can definitely go with that. So just modify it to fit your child. I know Hobby Lobby and a lot of other places, especially like Dollar Tree, they have foam designs like unicorns, stars, rainbows that you can use. So whatever your child likes, you can definitely switch it out for what I'm using. But I just thought this would be just a cute girly backpack. If it's a boy, you can use footballs, baseballs, just whatever you'd like. Just look around and see what designs and what pictures you can find and go with that. You will also need scissors and a hot glue gun. And you can even have the child decorate it with you so that they'll feel like it's something special that they did and they can be very proud of it and go back to school with a lot of extra confidence. Alright, let's get started. This is our blank canvas. We'll start with this. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is place my flowers. I think they're going to look adorable right here. The idea I have is to place flowers here, a cute tulle bow here, two smaller tulle bows here, and then take my little pearls and maybe line them along the bottom or right here. Now, what you can do, make sure when you hot glue these down, you don't use too much glue, but you can also place a piece of cardboard back here just to make sure that you don't glue the pouch closed. You want to just get glue on the front so that they can still use the, the pocket. Be careful and mindful of that. There we go, mixing up the colors a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get these glued down. Alright, so I have all of the flowers glued in place. It looks so cute and adorable. Next thing I'm going to do is take my cute little beads and line the bottom. Again, you can place them here, you can go across the top, you can do all over if you'd like, just whatever you prefer. So I'm just going to take a dot of hot glue. Going to do this all the way around. It's looking so cute and adorable already, so I'm going to come back and show you the finished product. And another option, you can place a strip of glue and just place them down, but I like doing each separate one just to make sure it has a nice amount of glue and it's very sturdy. Alright, so we are all done. Again, you can take this all the way around. You can cover this. You can cover the entire backpack with these pearls if you'd like. So that's all I'm going to put for now. Next, I'm going to add in some tulle because it's so pretty and precious and girly. I want a huge tulle bow here and two smaller ones down in the bottom corner. Alright, so I've cut some strips of tulle. They're about 12 to 16 inches. Honestly, I didn't try to cut a certain length or anything. I just cut some. And it's about maybe 10 pieces. Again, you can modify this to be larger, smaller, whatever you'd like. Okay. And it's nothing fancy I'm going to do. I'm just going to grab the center and scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Just like that. I'm just going to use a piece of tulle. You can use wire, string, whatever you'd like to secure it. And I'm just going to tie it in a knot. Come back around. And another knot. And once more. Okay, and then I'm going to fluff it up because we want it really fluffy and poofy. So this is why if you want it extra poofy, you can add more strips, fewer strips, whatever you prefer. But there, you see it's nice and poofy, and it's going to go right there in the center. I'm going to make two smaller ones. So for the smaller ones, I just have a long strip, maybe 24 inches. Again, I wasn't too specific with the measurements. So I'm going to do the same. Just gonna scrunch, scrunch, scrunch in the center. Just like that. Take a piece of tulle and tie it around to keep everything in place. Just like that. It's gonna go right there. And last one. This one will go down here, and this one will go right here. Then the big poofy one is in the center. So you have several options. You can just like hot glue this down to the backpack, being careful not to glue the front to the back. So I would, like I said, I would put a piece of cardboard or paper in between. Or you can just take some needle and thread and you can sew it to the backpack. Or for a final option, you can cut like a small slit or two small slits in the backpack. Like two parallel slits, just like that. And then add a hair clip to the bow. And then clip it into the backpack. And this makes it interchangeable, so you can make 5 or 6 different color bows and just change them out as the child wants to, you know. So that's something fun that you can do. Again, you can just clip it in there, wear that one for a week, take it off, and add another one. So if you want pink tulle, white tulle, and gray tulle, you can change it up just like that. For this video, I'm just going to hot glue it. And be careful with the hot glue and the tulle. And I'm just pressing it so that the glue really binds to the backpack. Just like that. I'm going to do the same for the pieces down here. Again, glue is good if you want to stitch it or anything like that to make it a little more sturdy. That's fine as well. And just poof it up. And simple, easy to do, takes less than an hour, and your child will really enjoy it and have fun and be proud of something that they personally designed. So again, modify it as much as you'd want, but I thought this was so cute and adorable. A poofy tulle, flowers, and pearls. And don't forget all the other options, but this is the final product. Oh, you can also, if you'd like, design the straps. Put flowers or tulle or anything you want on the straps as well. But yeah, let the child have fun with it, design it exactly the way they want. They can even put their name on it. You know, if they want to put their name right here or right there, you can definitely do that. Just go to Hobby Lobby or any craft store, get some cute letters, and you can hot glue or iron press them on. So that'll be something fun and personal for the child. So just have fun and let their creativity run wild.